Okay, I just thought I'd show y'all something new I got. It's a Chinese leather shoe patching machine from Amazon. I gave $115 for it, which included shipping, and it's just it's just an outstanding little machine. Once you do the work it takes to clean it up, and they don't really do anything at the factory to tune it up. So you have to do your own tuning and cleaning up and dressing up and that sort of thing. But once you do that, it's an outstanding, heavy duty machine. And I had a big Singer industrial sewing machine that I used occasionally, and I upholstered seats in a Volkswagen I restored once, and that sort of thing. But then my sister borrowed it, and I never got it back. You know how that sort of thing goes. So I've got it cleaned up. Then I made a base with a motor for it. And I hope I don't get you drunk with my terrible video, but I'm using a Harbor Freight drill, and I've got a 10 tooth sprocket that fits this 1/8 inch bicycle chain. Then I've got, and that's 10 teeth by the way. Then I've got a 44 tooth bicycle chainring sprocket. Just a cheap kid's sprocket off a kid's bike. Uh, then I have an old Pfaff speed control. Let me get a little closer here. Hopefully you can see that. But an old Pfaff speed control hooked up to the motor. So all I got to do is just step on it to turn it on, and it's speed control. And some of the things I've already done with it is I've got a flag on the back of a denim jacket, with the sleeves cut out, an old biker uh, vest. So that's kind of cool right there. And I did that with the motor drive because it's just so much stitching involved. But now when you go to put patches on leather vests, let me get this out of the way here. Okay, you don't need the motor drive. In fact, it's terrible if you do the motor drive. You want it nice and slow and precision, and along with that, you can use fishing line. There we go. You can see what I've used there. You can load it up with fishing line and sew with the fishing line, so you can't see the stitches, or it's very difficult to see the stitches. And it makes for a strong patch. So you can see how well that turned out. And along with that, I made it so the machine comes off this base really easy. All you do is just loosen this one wing nut here, take this bar that's holding it down, and the machine comes right off this motor base. Okay. And it's just a really neat thing. And let me give you a little demo here of it sewing. Let me sit you up over here. Oops. I'm sorry. Got my hand in the way. Let me set this up here. There we go. Let me turn you back a little this way a little bit. There we go. But you just like I've got a piece of leather here. All right. So we'll put this piece of leather in here. Drop it down. Okay. And just stitch away real nice. And you can go slow, or you can speed it up and really lay it in. So you can see, and you can do spin the motor over, pull it out, and there's your leather stitched. Just so easy, so easy and quick. Let me cut the string off here. And now I'm gonna show you how easy this is to get off. First, let's kill the drill so it can't turn on. All right, we'll loosen this up. Take the little bar out. All right, then we'll lift it up a little bit. Take the chain off. We don't need that. And here we got a portable sewing machine. Okay, and then this little bar, you can't lay it flat with it there. So if you take this bar, loosen the little wing nut on the end here. Just see right there. Now it's easy to carry and it will lay down flat for transport. I'll go ahead and let me take this off here. You can see it'll lay down for transport. Very easy. I can put that in the sidecar of my motorcycle. So let me get you off here. I'm sorry, but here's a video. Sorry if I'm getting you drunk again, of the motor drive base, and it's just real simple. Just real simple, and it all comes apart real easy. And it's just a real nice occasional use machine. You know, you wouldn't want to do any professional work with it, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy this little video and it's entertaining for you. So I'll see y'all later in another video.